Hello everyone, welcome to CodeSoft. In this video, we are going to talk about joins in relational databases. So let's get started. So what are joins in SQL? Now with the word join, it is very clear that it is used to combine something, right? Now what is this something? So let's look at the definition. It says a join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. So whenever we use join to write a query, it fetches us data from two different tables or maybe more than two tables, right? So these joins are actually used as a way to find data from two different tables. And how do they join themselves? They join based upon a column that is having some related values in both these tables. So if I talk about the types of joins, there are actually four types of joins. That is inner join, full outer join, left outer join, and right outer join. So let's talk about each one of them. The first one is the inner join. So the inner join returns records that have matching values in both the tables, right? So let's say we are having two different tables, table A and table B, and there is a column C in present in both of them. Now, whichever rows are same in the C column in two different tables, all those terms will be returned. So in other words, this is the intersection between two tables. So if we look it in terms of sets, we can find out. So if we find the intersection of two sets, the value return is actually the value that will be returned by the inner join. So by this image, you can see that an inner join actually is the intersection between two tables. So suppose there is a table A and there is a table B. So the area shaded in this diagram is basically the same values in the same column in both of these tables, and those will be returned. Now, as I was saying, we can compare this with some sets. So suppose there are two sets A and B having these values, and if I classify them in the form of Venn diagram, you can see that the 3 and 4 is actually common in both of these sets, right? So this is actually the output of the inner join, right? The next one is the left outer join. So the left outer join returns all records from the left table and also returns the matching records from the right table. So basically this will return the intersection and also the left out value that are not part of the intersection from the left table, but not the left out values from the right table. So if we see the Venn diagram, all the left values and all the intersecting values. So again, if we look at this table and if we say A left join B, it will not only return 3 and 4, it will also return 1 and 2 because they are present in left but not in right. So another definition we can say the left outer join returns the values present in left but not in right plus the values present in the intersection of A and B. I hope this is clear. So now let's look at the right outer join. So the right outer join should be very clear that it actually returns me the values that are intersecting between both the tables plus the values that are present in right but not in left. So if I talk about the actual definition, the right outer join returns all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. So if I give you the glimpse of the Venn diagram, you can see this. And if we talk in terms of sets, so this will return me 3 and 4. That will be the output from the intersection part, and the 5 and 6 that is just present in right but not in left. So here you can see that 3 and 4 is not printed twice because 3 and 4 is a part of right table also and also the intersection. So you can see that whenever there is an intersecting element between two tables, that will be printed only once and not twice. Now, if I talk about the full outer join actually in short returns the entire tables, both of them, because it will give us the values that are present in left, it will give us the values that are present in right, and also the intersecting values. So if I talk about the formal definition, the full outer join returns all records when there is a match in either left or right table. So this is the Venn diagram, and you can see the entire tables. Both of them are actually getting printed, and here again the intersecting elements in both of them will be printed only once. By the fact you can see that they are present in both of the tables, but still they will be printed only once. And if I talk about the query output, or you can say in terms of sets, so here the entire tables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 will be printed whenever we will do a full outer join B. So this is all about joins. I think you have got the intro to joins. Now in the upcoming video, we will see the applications of join and how we actually use them to query in our databases and tables, right? So that's all with this video. Stay tuned to add more festoons into your knowledge garland. Until then, please keep subscribing. Thank you.